Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I am refreshing my primary bedroom after the holiday season. I hope you are looking forward to seeing how I'm keeping the bedroom after all the festivities. I've done most of the cleaning already. I'm just finishing vacuuming and then we will start decorating. Is this your first time here? Welcome to the family. I upload glam home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of DIYs. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos if you are interested in this type of videos. Thank you to all of you, my returning Glam Squad, for your love and support. I always start with my bed because it truly set the tone for the room. I just added new sheet on the bed. This is an off-white sheet that I am using today. Whenever I am refreshing my bedroom, the first thing that came to mind is the comforter or the duvet set that I'm going to be using. Many times this comforter will be on my bed for like a good 2 to 3 months. So I want to make sure I'm using a comforter that goes with the season and a comforter that I'm going to be very happy with. I'm going to be using this beautiful white king size comforter by Litonica. As you already know, I love using white bedding because it instantly makes the space feels clean, luxurious, and hotel worthy. So far, this comforter feels very soft and luxurious to the touch. It feels warm and cozy, which is perfect for this time of the year, but at the same time, it is not too warm. I'm definitely going to be able to use it for spring. It's a little bit wrinkled. I'm gonna give it a quick steam. It is a very beautiful comforter. It is fluffy, it is cozy. I like the luster. It has a very nice shine to it. It came with 2 pillowcases. It does exactly what I wanted it to do, making my room have that hotel vibe. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box along with a special coupon code to save 5%. Thank you to Litonica for sending me the comforter set. Now let's add a few more accessories on the bed. Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgullosa diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, baby, yeah. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más. Otro día tú pate, porque tú a mí haces feliz, me queda presumir, ay de ti, qué bonito verte sonreír, yo soy tu VIP. Papi, yo te pate, que tú me haces feliz, me encanta presumirte. A mí me encanta presumirte, baby, con todas mis amigas. VIP, a mí no me importa lo que digan. No hay que decidir cuando vi esos ojos era para ti. Ponte más cerquita, que ya no te muero. Seamos los locos en este mundo de acuerdo. Soy tu favorita, estamos de acuerdo. Tú tienes derecha mientras que yo soy de izquierda. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más.
Since I have these curtains in the bedroom for a little while, I've decided to add some white curtains in here instead. Later on, I added this wall art that was sitting in my basement a little while ago. I truly love this wall art. I do not hang it often because of the color, but I truly love it. It's a unique piece. So I brought it in to complement the look that I have in the bedroom. As you can see, it goes really well with the pillows. You can see the little green that I have on the pillows. You can also see them on the wall art. I thought it is a good one. You also see the tree that I bought in as well. This tree, I got it from the at-home store. It's a beautiful, super duper white tree. Love it. I also steam the curtains. This one is not steam yet. You can see the difference between this one that hasn't steamed yet and this one that has steam. I thought I would go green all the way, so I added this beautiful super duper glam pillows on the sofa, 2 of them, right? And in the middle is my throw from my website. I moved the lamp on the other side of the sofa. The lamp is from Amazon. I need you to go down in the comment section to let me know what you think about my bedroom refresh. As for me, you already know I love it because I put it together. It looks so cozy, so fresh, and so clean. Thank you to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so YouTube can let you know once I upload. I love you always. Bye. Mwah.